Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create your own Wix online store. I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store with Wix with two ways. The first one is if you already have a Wix website, and the second one will be if you want to create your online store from scratch. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and log into my account because I already have one. If you haven't, feel free to create. It's very easy to do that. You can just type in your email address over here and then click on Start Now to get your free account. Alright, since I already have created Wix websites before, this is how my dashboard looks like. It's showing me the website that I've already created. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to choose one of the websites that I've already created, which is another type of cookies website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. And then I'm going to click on edit site to start editing and adding the online store into my Wix website. And this is my Wix website. I originally created this website as a bakery website, but I don't have any selling features, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can turn your usual website into an online store. To do that, you can go ahead and click on this plus sign on the left side menu on your screen, and then you're going to scroll down and you will see that there is a store option. Go ahead and click that, and then you're going to scroll down once the menus open up and you can click on Add Store. As you can see, clicking that options are going to allow your Wix to have their own online store. Now let's start customizing our online store by adding products. So you're going to go ahead and click on this Add Product button. Once you click that button, Wix are going to take you to the page where you can start creating, adding, and also customizing your product. Here you can see they already created some pre-made selections of product. Obviously, these are the products that are not yours. So before you publish it into your Wix website, you're going to have to edit them one by one. To edit your product, you can just go ahead and click the triple dots at the very end of the product bar, or you can also just click on the product and you're going to be directed into this page. In this product page, you have the options to change the product name. You can also add up some pictures if you'd like. These are just the product photos that Wix gave to you so that you will have the idea on how this product customizations works. You can also choose to add categories to your product, customize the marketing and SEO options such as creating coupons for each products, etc., as well as inserting descriptions for your products. There are also additional info sections such as product info, return and refund policy, shipping info, and if you would like to add some more additional info, you can just go ahead and click on this add info section, insert your section's title, and then add the description so you will know what that additional info is supposed to be. In this page, you will also find the pricing options so that you can go ahead and change the price of your product over here. You can also choose if you want this specific product to be on sale. You can just go ahead and click on the button below it, or you can also show the units of the product that you have on your website. Feel free to fill in all of the other additional details such as this status in stock option, the SKU numbers, shipping weight, as well as whether the product that you're going to be selling are pre-order products or not. If it is, you can just go ahead and click on these sections over here. And you can also create a subscription so that it's going to be easier for you to market your product if any of your customer would like to subscribe to your website. If you made a mistake or you feel like you don't want to sell the product anymore, you can just go ahead and click on delete this product by clicking on that three little dots on top of the product image. Now that you know how to create, customize, and delete your product, I'm going to show you that you can also filter your product by categories if you already create categories for each product, by product type, inventory, and also by visibility. You can see that each of the things that I've just said also have some list down there. And those lists are just additional info that are going to help you to filter and sort your stuff off. Let's say that you're selling a lot of product and you are finding it difficult to find some specific product. Feel free to use this filter to the fullest so that you will find your product quicker. When you're adding your product, you can also choose the category of your product, whether it's a physical product like t-shirt, shoes, or skateboard, or digital products such as printables, audiobook, etc. Here I'm showing you how the product customization looks like if you do it from scratch. As you can see, it has quite similar details to if you click on the pre-made product that Wix has already created for you. Here you're going to have to add your product name, add some pictures, edit the product details, etc. And that's how it looks like if you add the physical product from scratch. Now I'm going to show you how the digital file product customizations will look like. And here is how the digital product customizations look like. It looks quite similar to the physical product one, but it has less details for you to fill in. There are some details that are available in the physical product customization that are not available on the digital product one. Now that we're done with the product section, let's take a look at the inventory system. In the inventory menu, you will be able to edit your product, whether they're in stock or not. You can also track the quantity by clicking on these track quantity options, or you can also edit your product info from the inventory menu. And just like the one that we have on the product menu, you will be able to filter your inventory too. You can filter inventory, whether the inventory is categorized as tracked or not tracked, or whether your inventory also have their own categories. You can search them by product name, or you can also search them by product quantity. Now notice that I mentioned categories several times. If you would like to categorize your product, you can go ahead and click on these categories options on the menu on the left side of your screen. If you haven't categorized your product at all of your product are going to be inside of just one type of categories, which is this all product one. As you can see, currently I have 12 pre-made product on my online store, and everything is inside of that all product category. If you would like to add your category, you can just go ahead and click on this big plus sign beside the all product category, and then you can just start off by naming the categories, and then you can insert some thumbnails for the category image, as well as putting some description so that you will know what your category is supposed to be. Another thing to add your category is by clicking on this new category button on the top right of your screen. Under the categories menu, you will find the back in stock request. So what this one does is that in case you are selling some stuff and that at some point you stop selling it again, but you notice that people quite interested in that product and they want to bring them back, you can have that option made under the discontinued product that you have, and then these options are going to allow your customer to send an automatic email that will notify you that they're interested on buying that discontinued product. And you can collect their request by clicking on Start Collecting Requests. Thus, you know which product is actually appealing to your customer and which are not. You can also click on the Abandon Cart menu if you would like to see whether your customers already insert your product into their cart but somehow they never checked out. You can go ahead and click on the Abandon Carts to send your customers automatic emails that will remind them that they have some stuff in their cart that they haven't checked out yet. And that is how you can create your own Wix online store if you already have your Wix website. Now, to create a Wix website from scratch, you can just go ahead and click on the Create New Site options. I'm choosing it from the drop down menu because I'm currently on my already made website. But if you're still new to Wix, don't worry, you can just go ahead and click on Create a New Site, and it's going to give you the exact option as what I'm going to show you right now. The first thing they're going to ask you is whether you want to build your website with AI or not. I'm just going to choose not for now. And this is where the difference were made. In this one, you're going to want to choose an online store. For example, I'm going to choose an online accessory store. And by choosing that, instead of choosing any other categories of website that Wix has, Wix are going to automatically create an online store for you so that you don't have to add the online store element like how you will have to do if you already have your own Wix website. Obviously, if this is your first time on Wix, you're going to have to name your store, and then you're going to have to fill in the details such as online experiences, product types, sales channels, etc. You can also skip it if you don't feel like it for now, but for the tutorial's sake, I'm going to show you how it's done. Once you're done filling in the details, you're going to go ahead and click Continue to Dashboard. And after that, you're good to go. You have the exact same menu like the one that I've already shown you previously, and you can start customizing your online Wix store from here. And that is how you can create your own Wix online store. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.